What's up, everybody? Thank you so much for coming back and checking out my channel. Um, well, I got another review for you. I know I'm late. I know I said that I would be uploading these hair videos on Saturdays, but I was hoping to do this even before then because I wanted to possibly wear this wig on Valentine's Day. And what did I end up wearing on Valentine's Day? What you see me with right now. So that's okay because this is a real good go-to wig when you are bored with everything else and you just need to get on and get something together. So I got something. I have been waiting around to see what this looks like because the color is, I believe, in a blonde, and just want to see how it looks because I've had it for a moment. So here it is. Okay, I'm going to put my glasses on for this one. And in a moment, you're going to see why I went ahead and put my glasses on for this. I didn't even read all the information when I bought it. But this says it is the Savvy name in Smart Wigs. So I might as well put my glasses on for it. Okay, it's called Vanessa. Now, I don't know whether this is the name of the company, the first name in wigs, Vanessa. So I guess I'm taking this to be the name of the company. It says the intelligent choice in hair design, fashion that makes sense. Okay, so we're going to see how much sense this actually makes when I take it out the package and put it on my head. Okay, yeah, fashion that makes sense. Now, I don't know whether the name of this wig is called Smart Elison. That's Elison. But I'm not feeling that name. They really need to go back to the drawing board with the name. But the color is an F3240. And I'm going to go ahead and take it out. It's Vanessa Smart Wig. So let me take it out of the package and let's see how smart it is. I'm going to keep my glasses on for just a second, just so I can feel smart. Let me feel smart. Okay, Smart Ellison. Here is the stock card right here. Okay. Okay, so you can apply heat to this, top grade, high heat, fiber blends, smart look that makes you look smart. So let's see how smart I look in this wig. This is going to be interesting to see. Now, I am hoping that I'm just hoping that this doesn't look too wiggish or wiggy. All right, but we will see. So I'm taking it out now. Let's get rid of this net. Okay. Get rid of the packaging in there. All right. So far, let's see, the cap itself, it's a pretty thick cap. If you notice, I don't see any deep parts to it. So that right there, I've noticed that deep parts do actually help make the part look a little bit natural, whereas this has no deep part to it. Are there any combs on the side like there usually are? I don't see any combs. There are no combs in the front, no combs. I'm feeling no combs on the side. Is there a comb in the back? Whoa, there are no combs on this. It's just two straps, two adjustable straps. So there's nothing, no combs. Not that I really use them anyway. So whatever. So it's going to be interesting to see how this looks. I hope it is smart, or I'm going to feel pretty dumb for buying it. Okay, so, oh, look at this. There's no lace, so this is not a lace front, no lace whatsoever. I don't have to cut anything. What? So this should be a nice beginner wig. So far I like the colors. It actually has a blend, it looks like. There's several different colors in here. It looks like it might be about 3 different colors. And I could swear I have another wig. Well, you know what? I have so many wigs that I probably do have a wig that's this color. So, you know, it's not surprising. So let me go ahead and put it on. I'm going to take off my reliable go-to wig. Whew. Okay. And let's go ahead and transform into my blonde colored wig. Okay, now this definitely is a beginner friendly wig. I'm filling the little tabs on the side just to make sure that I've lined it up properly. And I'm telling you, I could swear I have a wig that is this color. It looks pretty much the same. Where's my brush? Did I lose my brush? Wow. No, don't tell me I do not have my brush. I do not have my wig brush. Who took my wig brush? Okay, so I'm going to have to do some improvising. Somehow, somewhere, someone took my wig brush. Oh, here it is. And I was accusing people. Isn't that something? Okay, so yeah, now no combs in here. And as I said before, I don't wear the combs anyway, so I'm not going to worry so much about it falling off. You know, it does, somebody can yank it and pull it off. Just don't get into any kind of altercations, because yes, it will come off. Not that you would do that, but okay, yes, it is smart. It's quite smart. um yeah, it's it's giving all sorts of smart vibes. It's smart. Okay, so we have this part, if you can see here. Now this is where it starts looking like you can really tell that it's a wig, because you can see right here that there is no part. It's just nothing but wig in here. All right. And it has a side part. Okay, am I going to wear this tomorrow? Am I truly going to wear this tomorrow? It's not super puffy. It doesn't have like a lot of hair up there. It's just a nice light blend of hair. Okay, didn't take me long to put this on. Oh, it has a little side sweep right here in a totally different color. Okay, it just curls to the side. This part goes straight. So what can I do with this? Can I do one of these numbers? I actually could. And then leave this part. I would probably cut just a little bit off right here. Now this is also pretty good. Now here's my thing. Do I really want to wear a ponytail when I'm wearing a wig? I mean, but you can actually wear a ponytail with this. This is really easy to make into a ponytail. But outside of that, what do we have? Okay. Oh, you could probably put a little band on it. Let me see. Let me find a band. Okay, I'm going to use this band right here. I'm going to put a band up top and then pull some of this back. Let's see if that'll work as a band. Okay, you got to get smart with the smart wig. Okay. Yeah, just you got to be smart about it. So you can get a band like that, and oh, okay, I can do this. I can rock with something like this. You put a little band up here. Maybe you put a scarf at the top, and then you have the side sweep, which once again I'm going to cut just a little bit of that off right there because it's a little too heavy for me. But get a little headband, or you can wrap a scarf around it. And then if you do wrap a scarf around it, something else that you can do is you could probably pull it up so that you have hair up at the top. Okay, which I'm not going to do right now, but that is yet another option for this wig if you're not going to just simply wear it just down. Okay, there we go. Now it looks like it would be nice if it were up like that. All right, so this is one of these wigs where you really kind of have to play with it. I think that this is a perfect wig if you are wearing a hat, and let's say the hat, you know, I've had this happen, the hat is blown off, or you have to take your hat off. You still have your hair looking pretty decent underneath, and it's not so bulky on the top that you know, you just can't wear the hat because of the bulk of the hair. So what do I think of it? I like it. I like it. I think I think there's some versatility to it, and yeah, I think it's pretty smart. Okay, and yeah, I will be wearing it. I will be wearing it. Okay, so, and I think I'm gonna start wearing a lot more blonde these days. You know. No, don't do that. Don't do that again. Okay, so oh look, I did my falsies. I did my falsies this time. Normally I do not do them. Okay, I normally don't wear falsies, but this time I did decide I'm gonna put them on. And this brand I do like. I just took it out. Extension curl is called INB. Okay, I did try Kiss, and they were cutting me on the inside, and I wasn't liking it. So I took them off real quick, but these are really comfortable on me, and I think I like them. So yeah, too bad I'm not going out anywhere tonight because it is nighttime where I am, and I just came from work. And well, I'm gonna be sporting my wig. I'm gonna be sporting my wig tomorrow. I'm gonna be sporting my wig tomorrow. Okay, enough of my shenanigans. All right, I hope you like my video. And those of you who are my faithful subscribers and you watch my videos, thank you so much for returning. Those of you who are new to my channel, please hit that like, hit the like, share. Please definitely subscribe, okay, to my channel, and definitely make sure that you hit the notification bell so that if I don't post on a Saturday, at least you do get the notification that I have posted and you won't miss any videos. So until then, you'll see me again. All right. Wear those wigs, girls. Wear those wigs.